So something that I think will be very useful for you students that are learning English or your first language is not English will be closed captions on YouTube and other videos. In other words, these are subtitles. So really quickly, I'm just going to show you how to turn these on. A lot of the videos that I'm going to use are in English, but you can have the words translated to Spanish, French, Portuguese, Swahili. So you go down here where it says CC, Subtitles and Closed Captions. Click on that, and then so you'll see English subtitles right now, but I want them translated to Spanish. So I would click Settings, and then where it says Subtitles CC, click on that. Auto Translate. Oops, click the wrong one. Auto Translate, and then whatever language that you need. So the majority of my students, especially at Lynn Classical, the majority of speakers are Spanish speakers. So here we are. And the translations are not always exact, but they can be really helpful. So this is a video that my geometry students might be watching in the beginning of the year. And it's just helpful. So this man is talking, but you can pause it and make sure that you understand what he's saying as you read along the bottom. Okay, so again, closed captions, make sure it's on, and then this little thing, and click here, and then click what language that you want. All right.